shit. Now for what's left in here, we Gucci. Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, today I'm gonna bring y'all with me doing the oil change on 2 different cars. If the weather allows, it's already starting to rain on me right now. I'm gonna do that in a few because I'm probably gonna have to let this rain pass over. But right now I'm gonna give y'all a cold start on the car. Alright, so I tried to give y'all a cold start on the car, but failed miserably. This phone is connected to the car, so it immediately went to my car's microphone and stuff like that. It ain't work out too well. I'm talking, my lips talking, the audio super delayed, so I'm gonna have to scratch that. So the video I just made, I'm remaking this video again just without the cold start. So as I was saying, if you're new to the channel, y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, you feel me? Stay tuned for everything we got going on.
It's already here.
I remember being
This is 50.
Ready? Yeah. $73 for the oil change, but if you're paying somebody else to do it, your ass gonna be running that tab up.
So as you're walking with it, it actually rotates and just like maintains it like...
Yeah, it'll follow me. I don't have it. It's facing that way right now, but if I turn around, it'll follow me each way I go.
That's cool shit.
I don't remember when I got it. I had it, sat it down, didn't use it. Now I'm like, I got this, man. I need to use it now.
I'm going to Puerto Rico and I bought it with me, but I just bought it like it's $8 one just in case I lose it.
Hey, now that's the thing
I'm going
is.
ziplining over there. So.
Oh yeah, you don't want to lose this one. Yeah.
I really don't want to put it on the zip line either because if I lose it, it'll go to the phone too. So.
Yeah. You done lost the phone and the tripod.
And the $7 tripod.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about grabbing my coworker. He has a GoPro.
Oh, put it
I'm
on.
gonna see if I can take it with him.
Yeah.
See if he lets me borrow it.
It's best to film things now, dog.
Yeah.
I actually bought one, same thing as this, like an older model, maybe like 2 years ago. Bro, I did not use it. I moved, don't know where I put it at. So I had to buy this. Is that for mine too? No, man. You ain't paying for mine, dog? You see it? You see it right?
Con the gas.
Gasolina.
I think you get the mobile one.
Yeah.
Nah, how much yours?
She got the filter, which is $30.
¿Qué tipo de vehículo te dijo que quiera?
What filter was $30?
Eso es para todo porque
What I need?
The
From
camera.
the same from the car from the Cuba.
That's not what I need.
Bro,
The cabinet something?
damn. That's the cheapest filter y'all had?
I don't know. Was it?
That's the cheapest filter. The God.
The cabinet something.
Golly, boy. Is that the cheapest filter? I think that's the most expensive filter. Shit.
Oh, it's not supposed to be that much?
Damn, I don't think I paid $30 for no damn.
$10 less.
Shit, you could have got $10 less.
Is that a...
Yes, it's better.
Thank you for calling Colorado Parts Stores. Am I help you? What's up, buddy?
Oh my God, am I live in your phone?
What? I'm gonna stab her when she gets here.
You gonna charge me?
I'm suing. You got that okay?
No, I don't think I have anybody bitching and complaining so far.
2.5 liter 4-cylinder.
I got a child. I got a child.
I'll leave it for
Hold on
next one.
to. Come on, son.
I'll tell them how.
Come on. You don't want no bad. You crazy. Shit ain't working. Oh, shit ain't working, dog. on, my boy. Alright, y'all. I'm back again. We got both of the cars, oil and the filters. I also got a cabin filter for the Honda. So we're gonna do that too. Alright, so successful oil change for this car. We was able to get it done right as it started to pour down raining. I'm back after the oil change, man. Unfortunately, I was not able to get no content, being that it started raining on me as soon as I started doing it. For the Honda, I ain't getting no footage besides the clip that I'm gonna insert. But 2022 Honda Civic, it's not a bad car to do an oil change on. I can say that. Got it done. You know, all praise Most High. It's an oil change, man. It's an oil change, dog. It's just an oil change, bro. Okay, so day 2 with me doing the oil change. We finally made it to the V-dub. Alright, I'm checking the dipstick just to see how much oil was in there. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this process. I made my way around the car to go ahead and proceed to jack the car up. We finna get down to business, you hear me? Alright, I got her where I want her at, so you feel me? I'm gonna leave her ass right here. Put the little dead man jack stand up under that bed. We're gonna make our way to the front. I am taking the oil cap off. I'm gonna take this coolant line. I'm gonna remove it, put it on the other side of the dipstick. And yeah, we're gonna get out this filter next. Alright, y'all. We back. It's day 2 of the oil change. We finally able to do my car, so taking y'all through it. As you can see, I already got some clips of it. I'm gonna keep getting good clips of it. It's Mr. DIY. Me gonna put them gloves on. I'm trying to put my strength to that filter. Yeah, that bit was not letting me get it, so I had to do my 1-2. Go ahead and get that rag, throw that on there, grab my tool, apply that pressure, just a little bit. That's all I needed. Now I could use my hands, you feel me? Hand tight shit, yeah. Got her loose now, she ready for me. Come on up out of there. Alright, y'all, so look. I just changed this out. Somehow, it's always something. It did not record. Well, it was recording the clip of me changing the oil filter out, but for some reason, it just stopped the video. So I'm attempting to redo it, but just not taking off the oil filter again because I already put it back on. So that's that. The brand, the size of it, yeah. And then we got new washer going on there because the other one is all messed up. So like I said in the other clip from yesterday on the other car, this has to be changed on mine. I already used a different way of putting it on there, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get up under the bottom and start doing the oil change. Alright y'all, so I forgot to show you what I'm gonna be using for the oil. I'm gonna be using this liquid moly, hey mole, I don't know what you want to call it, but whoever said right, wrong, I don't give a fuck for real. Liquid moly, that's what we putting in there, along with the tools. I'm using a 19 for that bolt, like I say, 19 to get that off with this breaker bar. And then, you know, I'm finna tighten them back up with the quickness when it's time. I'm putting him back on, hitting with the Milwaukee. But yeah, finna get right to that right now. Alright, so I got y'all set up on the bottom half of the car. Go ahead and look, watch me work. Put this work in real quick. It took me a little minute, you know, I had oil dripping all over my hands. I thought I could crack it loose, twist it with my hands the rest of the way. No sir. That bit got slippery and more slippery and more slippery. I had to go ahead and throw the ratchet back on there and twist it out some more. Y'all see, I don't see no oil coming out right now. Yeah, cause guess what? I had to clean my hands off. It was just slightly dripping. But once I get back in there and put that thing back on there, watch me work again. Nah, I ain't gonna play with it. Let me get that ready, cause you know I be messing up the damn ground down there. Oil be going everywhere. So hey, I'm prepared this time. I ain't spilled nothing from this oil change on my car. Yeah. Just need a little bit more finesse. Give me a little bit more finesse and she gonna be up out of there. Yeah, that's about it. There it is. We got a nice slow drain. Gonna let it do its thing. Go ahead, empty out. Get all that black oil up out of there. It's time for the new. It's time for that new, man. I had to clean the tools off, man, cause I be making a mess, dog. Drain bolt off. Gotta get ready to be put this shit on while it's finishing up draining. Just take this shit. Glad I ain't no thief, cause paying for something like this, but you really could just crush that bit, take this bit. Take that bit. So we're gonna use that. We need this bolt. This bolt up out of here. Not a bolt washer. Damn mosquitoes out this bit. Yeah, when that bit finished draining, this is what we going back in with. New bolt. High key, this bit a lot longer. It'll be a lot longer. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, that do the job. But this also got like a lip around it. Got a lip around that bit. This one don't. It's just a straight bolt. So I don't know if y'all can see that bit. You know when they be doing that little shit where they have to put their hand behind it. I don't know if y'all can see. It's a lip on one. It's no lip on the other one. So yeah. That's what we gonna put back on there. Hopefully it fit flush. Right now we still draining. Try to let it get all that black oil up out of there. I don't rush this process. I just let that bit drain all the way, but I'm finna get the camera for you. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you a clip of me draining the last little bit out of it. Alright, I'm about to go ahead and let the car down so we can get back to business. This right here, we in step 3, man. We in the 4th quarter. I'm gonna go ahead and put that cooling hose back down. I already did the oil filter. So now we about to go ahead and drop this 540 in here. This a Volkswagen CC 2013. They normally take 4.9 quarts. That's a 5 liter or 5 gallon, whichever one you want to call it. It take about damn the whole thing. I don't know why I keep looking at it like that, but I like to take my time, man. As you can see, the whole jug at this point, it's almost gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it a little bit more and then check him out and see what we hitting for. Yeah, that was that first look. Second look, yeah, we need a little bit more. Put like half of that shit. Now for what's left in here, we Gucci. Yeah, we right at the finish line. Let me pour this last half of a quart in there. And yeah, get right. Right, it's time to check them levels out. Yeah, it was right before this. It was right at the halfway mark, right before the max. Now with them last 2 pours I just did, it was right on the money, above the max line. Now I'm finna go ahead and go get this coolant to top out this coolant. Yes, sir, I got that coolant. About to go ahead and pour this bubbly up. I only need about 2 dabs of this, you feel me, and everything done. That's all she need. It's right in between the minimum and the max. I don't want to overdo it. Everything done, filter changed, topped up the coolant, oil changed. Should be good for a start now. Let me close this hood up. Go ahead. It's time to put everything up. Go ahead and start her up. If you know, you know. Then you know. If you drive a Volkswagen, you got to keep all that with you. Let me open up this door. Let's get inside. Look at this temperature gauge. Alright, that oil is almost at that halfway point where she warmed up. She sound good. Oil change finished, man.